YouTube channel. My name is Anushka and in today's video I am going to transform a kulhad into a brush holder. You can decide your color theme. So I am going with this flesh tint color, yellow, this is lemon yellow and orange. So first we will cover the whole earthen cup or kulhad with this fresh tint. So let this dry. Once the second coat is also dried, now we will give the design. You can do design of your own. I am just going to do some sponge design with lemon yellow and orange. Okay, randomly just place the sponge everywhere. Once the yellow color is done, now we will move on to the next color, that is the orange. Just dab it randomly. So let the earthen cup get dried. So now we will just color the edges with the metallic acrylic color. This is in the shade bronze. And now let this color get dried. So this is the final look of the brush holder. So if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me on Instagram.